Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.